Hey art buddies, welcome back to Russian Beyond, your happy little corner of creativity. Have you ever dreamt of floating through the clouds with the wind in your hair and a rainbow in your view? Well, hot air balloons make that magical dream almost real, and today we're turning that dream into art. We're imagining soft blue skies, dreamy colors, and watercolor textures. So, even if you've never taken a balloon ride, buckle up because we are going on a creative journey today, right here in Procreate. I have already sketched out the hot air balloon using the Procreate pencil brush, and the background is a soft blue sky with fluffy white clouds added using the default cloud brush. Time to color. I've picked up a mix of bright, cheerful colors and I'm using my custom watercolor brush for that soft blended look. Pro tip: create each balloon panel on a separate layer, stacking them one by one, making it much easier to manage and shade cleanly. Watch how the clouds flow and blend. Isn't it soothing? Just like watching the clear sky after a rainy day. What color would your dream balloon be? Tell me in the comments. Can you guess which color I'm using next? Notice how gently the brush blends, like painting with soft clouds. This part is super calming. Grab your iPad and pencil and paint along if you're watching this. Or you can paint on paper with actual watercolors. If you're enjoying this relaxing process, give this video a like. Now let's switch to black, reduce the brush size and draw those ropes and strings. Don't stress about making them perfect. The joy of this artwork lies in its flow, just like dreams. And here comes the wicker basket. It's ready to take us wherever we want to go. Let's add some colorful bunting flags for extra cheer. A little flutter here, a little color there, like party vibes in the sky. This detail brings so much joy to the piece. Small things can be magical. Now I'm adding final touches to the basket and we're almost there. Let's make it even more dreamy. I'm using the Odin brush under the calligraphy tab for our text and picking a pinkish purple color from the palette. And just look at this brush. It glides like magic. Dream big because yes you can and yes you should. And that brings us to the end of this art video. I hope you enjoyed this fun little ride into the cloudy skies with me. If it made you smile even a little, don't forget to like, subscribe and come back to Brush and Beyond for more. More art that feels like a hug. See you soon, art buddies.